Mamta can also turn around political problems for her disadvantage. If you just look at her speech, I mean to say she's behaving like a martyr for the people who have been ejected from their jobs. And Jayanto, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Precisely what you said, Karthike, I would like to begin from there. Mamta Banerjee is playing a martyr. She's playing the victim card. Whereas it is she and her government and her party who is wholly and solely responsible for the striking off of the jobs of 26,000 people. And it's just not a matter of 26,000. This is just the West Bengal School Service Commission. Now, the unearthing of primary, the scam in primary education system is also to be heard. So if you, again, there is madrasa, there is, in all the departments, there have been intakes in the Mamta Banerjee's tenure. There have been corruption. Now, let us come to facts. See, Mamta Banerjee today, she wanted to be a messiah. She wanted to, give this message loud and clear, yes, hum tumhare saath hai. But in reality, it is not she who is with the people. She is with those tainted people. And in order to cover up those tainted job seekers, she had given the sacrificed the entire 26,000 panels. Now, obviously, I'm sure you must have gone through the entire 51, 52 page judgment. Now, I just want to point out one thing. In point number 42, Karthikeya, it is mentioned by the Honorable Judge, in spite of the factual background and the credible evidence indicating irregularities, WBSSC initially did try and cover up the lapses and illegalities. Can you imagine? A education system, a board, which is supposedly autonomous, though it's not, it's just a farce. They are covering up the irregularities. Like Shubhendu already mentioned, time and again, not only the High Court, the Honorable Supreme Court have also asked for the list of the tainted candidates so that they could segregate and only strike off their jobs. Mamta Banerjee's government did not. Why? I'll just take 5 seconds of your time. Why? Firstly, the humongous number of candidates who had given money for their jobs, the money had to be returned. And not, obviously not by the state coffers, it had to be returned personally by each tainted TMC MLA. Remember Partha Chattopadhyay's girlfriends, the unearthing of 56 crores of cash. Secondly, most importantly, the amount of scam, the huge volume of the scam would have been unearthed. So Mamta Banerjee safely, she chose to play the victim card. She safely chose to play the martyr. And most importantly, we are looking forward to tomorrow's hearing, where the second part of the hearing would be heard by the Honorable Division Bench of Supreme Court, where Mamta Banerjee, it was her cabinet, which gave the cabinet note to employ those tainted candidates in the supernumerary posts.
Let me state the fact of the matter. The representatives of these teachers, dismissed en masse, say their plight was the state government's fault. The sacked teachers have declared that they will not write another exam to regain their jobs, and her government must find way to reinstate them. Let me play out few bites of the teachers first.
Can they see that also I have done my B.Ed from Shiksha College? How can they prove that I am a wrong student? I have all my documents, I have gone through every process. मैं अयोग्य स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ, आई एम योग्य. सरकार मेरे को प्रूव करे कि मैं रॉन्ग हूँ, तब मेरा जॉब ले जाए तो मैं सामने से जॉब दूंगी. लेकिन अब मेरे को गलत एक ठप्पा, एक कलंक दे करके मेरे को बोला जा रहा है कि अयोग्य और तुम जाओ. हमें प्रूव करो. मेरे पास सारा दस्तावेज, हमने किसी को कोई पैसे, कोई घूस नहीं दिया है. हर चीज से हम गुजरे हैं. मेडिकल वेरिफिकेशन, पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन, जो भी चीज था हम हर प्रोसेस से गुजरे हैं. उसके बाद भी हमें अयोग्य क्यों बोला जा रहा है?
देखिए, सरकार तो जिम्मेदारी होना ही चाहिए. इतना करप्शन हुआ है दैट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल एंड हर फुल कैबिनेट एंड सेंट्रल स्कूल सर्विस कमीशन जिन्होंने हमको नियोग दिया है, उन्होंने मिलित होकर इतना करप्शन किया. करप्शन छुपाने के लिए सुपर न्यूमेरिटी की पोस्ट क्रिएट किया. अभी वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में राय आया 3 अप्रैल 2024 और 25,752 उस हर लोगों को, योग्य और अयोग्य हर लोगों को नौकरी चला गया. वहां से 6,000 1280 पर्सन निकाला है जिन्होंने अयोग्य है, इनवैलिड है, करप्शन करके ब्लैंक ओएमआर शीट, आउट ऑफ पैनल, रैंक एग्जाम, एक्सपायरी पैनल, वेरियस हुए दे नौकरी लिया एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल उनको घूस लेकर नौकरी